Ooh, righty guys, I'm trying to get this damn van out. I gotta work on this van, right? But guess what? I see this right behind me. No keys. Been waiting for an hour for the key to show up, but it don't look like it's gonna show up. So I gotta take matters into my own hand. Now, I was gonna try to, go forward, go backward, go forward, go backwards, tack and clear. But that's too tight. So here's what we're gonna do. Just what this feature is for, emergency shift override. You don't need no key, all right? At least if you don't have a key, you don't have to have a key. I don't have a key. All right, this is what is this? Probably a 2018 Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi. Okay, it's a rotary shifter, so it has to be an 8-speed transmission. All right, anytime there's a rotary shifter, guys, there has to be an emergency way to override the shifter, the gear, okay? In the event 12 volts is gone, this will not work. So you still need an emergency way to go into neutral. This particular truck, they hide them all over the place, but this truck, this emergency shift override is right here in this panel. So you got to find something to pop this panel out, and there it is right there, guys. Now, let me get down here. Y'all need to understand. What we're gonna do is just grab this orange spring. We got to pull it, but as you can see, it's locked. This little lever right here needs to be pushed in so you can clear that. Now, I just happen to have some needle nose pliers. So I don't know, look around the car. If this is an emergency, trust me, you're gonna find something. All you gotta do is move this over like this. All right, you gotta hold it over at the same time. I only had working with one hand, so let me get the cable to where it's loose. All right, so y'all see that? Now I'm able to pull the cable. Now I'm finna set in the car, guys. Make sure you're in the car with your feet on the brake before you pull it all the way. All I wanna do is roll back just a little bit. All right, guys, here we go. I'm on my foot on the brake. Now I'm about to pull the spring all the way. Now, as you can see, I'm rolling backwards. All I'm trying to do is clear that, guys. See that? I'm rolling backwards because I have the emergency shift override activated. Now that looks like enough right there. Y'all think I can get out? Yes. Let it go. It's gonna lock back into place. All right, it's gonna automatically go in the park. All right, solve that. Put your panel back on here. It's like nobody ever touched anything. But the truck is moved backwards just a little bit. Look, now I can get out. Go figure. All right, I had to go through all that because we can't find the key. Good thing the door was unlocked, right? Right. All right, guys, that's all I have. A quick online mechanic tip. Now I can move and get some work done. Guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I got some more coming up in this video. All right, let's get it. Ooh, welcome back to the channel, guys, real quick. Hey, man, real quick. Y'all see this? This is what is this? Promaster. Yeah, baby Promaster. Ram City Promaster. Okay, he doing some head work over here, guys. All right. Man, what's missing off of this, guys? We call this a brick, guys. It's a different technology. It's a different setup than your typical valve train setup, okay? In fact, last time I had to do one, I forgot the reason, but you need a special tool. Where is the, oh, here it is. Yes, guys, without this tool, this brick is extremely hard to remove and install. Okay, now I don't want to speak on why he got it out. I don't know. So cat converter right here. We have to remove this, I guess, to get. I'm curious to know what he's doing to this baby Promaster. All right. Yeah, these Promaster, man. Who's that? That was Philly D asking. We was just actually holding a conversation. Why is the big Ram Promaster 25 or 3500? They're front wheel drive, guys. One of the reasons is you want all the valve train up front, guys, so you can make for more room in the rear, right? All right, because if you had to send a drive shaft through there, through that tunnel underneath, I guess the inside can't set up as low as it could if there wasn't a drive shaft. Now, there's no differential back there. There's rear suspension back there, but as far as differential, all of that is in the transaxle. Remember, guys, they call it a transaxle because it's basically the transmission and the axle assembly combined into one unit. It's a pretty clever name. Transaxle. Transaxle. Yes. So, little interesting fact that I picked up a while back. Never thought of it like that, but it makes sense. Okay. So yes, he that would give Promasters a lot of room to play with in the rear for a typical. It's a work truck. Most people own these to work. Nobody own these for leisure. Oh, there it is. It is a 2.4, guys. 2.4 liter multi-air. All right, but to remove that brick, you need this special tool, and we keep this locked up tight. Okay. For you guys that don't have the tool and trying to do this stuff, oh, more power to you, man. Some of you guys do some. I have mad respect for DIY guys. You guys are off the chain as far as tackling stuff that's not of, on the ground. I seen Philly D one time in his driveway doing some struts. That would drive me cool. All right, but we ain't gonna spend all this time on this Promaster, guys. There's nothing interesting going on right there. Let's go over here. Hey, another Promaster. What is this one? Hey, another little 2.4. Well, the engine is still intact. What? Another Promaster? Okay. It's Promaster day to day, guys. What my man doing over here? Who knows? Okay. Some of the Promaster have the 6-speed in it as opposed to the 9-speed front wheel drive. See that TCM housed up here on the 9-speed? The TCM is housed on top of the transmission. It is a pain to get out, but yeah, I guess today Promaster day. I don't know what's going on. Wait a minute. All right. Hey, I see a 1500 over here. What y'all want to guess? Anybody want to guess? 3 liter, 3.6, or 5.7? It is. 3.6. Are we dealing with a ticker? I don't know, guys. Got a valve cover off. Who knows? Might not be that serious, guys. Y'all panic too much. Boy, I bet that breaker bar. That is a Mako. That is a nice one too, and it's ratchet breaker bar. I know that's a high dollar breaker bar. Yeah, see, something like this you don't technically leave out, but we trust each other around here. Some guys leave their tube. I can't even lock my toolbox, so there has to be some trust around here from a certain standpoint, guys. But I don't know what's going on here. Used car department. What they got back here, guys? Hey, that's a Ram. A Durango look like. Hey, Gen 3, guys. I can spot a Gen 3 a mile away. Now, I don't know why it's in, but I can tell you why it's not in. And that's likely ticking. Know why? We don't have that problem on the Gen 3. No, it's not in for that. It's a used car, so they're inspecting it.